Hey there, today we're going to just do some quick little maintenance chores, and the one chore that I'm going to show you today is how lazy I am when it comes to turning over the compost pile. We just started a compost pile, so there's not much there yet, but basically anytime I get a chance to use one of my pieces of equipment, that's what I like to use. So we're going to head on over to the compost area, show you where that's going to be next to the garden, and then show you how I'm going to start turning this over. It's good to turn over your compost pile every few days, give it more air, and mix the items up so that they decompose and do what nature's supposed to take care of for you. One of the nice things about the excavator is I can drive it with my feet, so I can video, except it's kind of loud. I should have my earmuffs on, but I don't, just for this quick little chore. Spin it around here, let you see how we get there. As I said, we just started this compost pile here. We're just going to go over there and turn it up a little bit. And I've got some more compost, some more sawdust, dirt. When we cut the grass, we'll put some of the grass clippings in there as well. That's all I really wanted to show today. Just our nice little mulch pile here on the side of the hill here next to the garden. So I'm going to park this up, move on to some other chores, and we'll show you what we're going to do tomorrow.